Welcome to the future of technology, where generative AI is not just a buzzword, but a game changer for industries worldwide. By 2025, the generative AI market is projected to skyrocket, with estimates suggesting it could exceed $10 billion. Ever feel like successful businesses have a secret weapon? Like they can do everything at once and always have the answers? It's not magic, but it is cutting-edge technology. Artificial intelligence, AI, is taking the world by storm, and a new kind of AI called generative AI is making it easier than ever for anyone to jump in. Imagine having a super-powered assistant that can write perfect emails in seconds, find hidden patterns in mountains of data, and even create catchy social media posts or ads. That's the power of generative AI, and in 2024, it's not just for tech giants. With a little know-how, anyone can use AI to unlock amazing opportunities and reach their financial goals. Are you ready to explore the exciting world of AI and get rich? Let's dive in. Hold on a second. Before you start picturing scenes from a dystopian robot uprising movie, let's clear the air. While AI can automate certain tasks, it's not here to replace human workers entirely. In fact, AI can be your greatest ally in the workplace. Think of it as a supercharged assistant that can handle the mundane, repetitive tasks that drain your time and mental energy. Imagine a world where you don't have to spend hours poring over spreadsheets or churning out boilerplate emails. AI can handle those tasks with lightning speed and flawless accuracy, freeing you up to focus on the strategic, creative aspects of your job. You can finally dive into the work that truly excites you, the work that requires your unique human skills like critical thinking, problem solving, and building relationships. Every major technological leap has fundamentally changed how we live and work. The printing press democratized information, making knowledge accessible to the masses. The internet connected us globally, collapsing geographical barriers and fostering unprecedented levels of collaboration. And now, AI is poised to be the next game changer. Unlike previous advancements, AI has the potential to personalize and optimize every aspect of our lives, from healthcare to entertainment. Imagine a doctor using AI to analyze medical scans and identify potential health issues before they become serious. Picture a musician collaborating with AI to generate new musical styles and compositions. The possibilities are truly endless, and the future powered by AI promises to be a world of greater efficiency, creativity, and human connection. Remember Moore's law, the principle that the number of transistors on a microchip doubles every 2 years, leading to a dramatic increase in processing power? Well, AI development is following a similar, but even faster, exponential curve. This means that AI capabilities are growing at an astonishing rate, with new breakthroughs happening seemingly every day. Just a few years ago, AI struggling to write a coherent sentence. Today, AI can craft engaging blog posts, translate languages with near-perfect fluency, and even generate realistic-looking images. As AI technology continues its rapid evolution, we can expect even more groundbreaking applications to emerge in the near future. While AI technology is rapidly evolving, there's one crucial factor limiting its full potential: us. We haven't quite mastered the art of effectively utilizing these powerful tools. It's like having a Ferrari in your garage, but not knowing how to drive it. The key lies in asking the right questions. The better we understand what AI can do and how it works, the better we can leverage its capabilities to achieve our goals. Think about it this way: if you ask a basic question like "write me an email," the AI might generate something generic and impersonal. But if you ask a more specific question like "write me a follow-up email to a potential client," highlighting the benefits of my product and emphasizing the urgency of their need, the AI will be able to create a much more targeted and effective message. By learning to communicate effectively with AI tools and ask the right questions, you can unlock their true potential and supercharge your productivity. With great power comes great responsibility, and AI is no exception. As AI continues to develop, ethical considerations become paramount. We need to ensure that AI is used for good, not for harm. Imagine a world where AI algorithms perpetuate social biases or are used to manipulate people's behavior. It's crucial that we develop AI responsibly, focusing on applications that benefit all of humanity. Luckily, There's a growing movement focused on ethical AI development, with researchers, developers, and policymakers working together to ensure this technology is used for positive change. By being aware of the ethical considerations and supporting responsible AI development, we can ensure that AI becomes a force for good in the world. While the long-term impact of AI remains uncertain, the short-term effects are already unfolding. Some jobs will be automated, particularly those involving repetitive tasks, but don't panic. New opportunities will emerge in fields that require human creativity, critical thinking, and social skills. The key is to be adaptable and embrace the changes AI brings. By understanding the current landscape and developing the skills that are in demand in the AI-powered future, you can position yourself for success. Here are some ways to prepare for the future. Identify the skills that will be valuable in the AI age, such as data analysis, coding, and complex problem solving. There are numerous online courses and boot camps available to help you develop these skills. Technology is constantly evolving, so a commitment to lifelong learning is essential. Stay curious, explore new technologies, and keep your skill set up to date. AI excels at tasks that are well-defined and have clear rules. However, it struggles with tasks that require creativity and out-of-the-box thinking. This is where humans shine. Hone your creative problem-solving skills and use them to develop innovative solutions in the AI era. The biggest differentiator in the age of AI will be your ability to adapt. Just like those who embraced the internet early on reaped the rewards, those who can quickly integrate AI into their lives and businesses will be the ones who succeed. Don't get left behind. Start exploring AI today. Here are some initial steps you can take. There's a vast array of AI tools available for various purposes, from content creation to data analysis. Explore different tools and find ones that can complement your existing skill set. Don't be afraid to experiment with different AI tools and see how they can benefit you. The more you use AI, the better you'll understand its capabilities and limitations. Don't try to overhaul your entire workflow overnight. Begin by integrating AI for a few specific tasks, and then gradually expand your use of these tools as you become more comfortable. Whether you run an agency, create content, or offer consulting services, AI can be your secret weapon. Imagine a world where AI handles tedious tasks like email writing, data analysis, or even generating basic content outlines. This frees you up to focus on the high-value, creative aspects of your work, ultimately increasing your productivity and earning potential. AI can streamline workflows by automating repetitive tasks like scheduling meetings, generating reports, and creating basic presentations. This allows agency owners to focus on client relationships, strategy development, and business growth. AI can help overcome writer's block by generating content ideas, brainstorming headlines, and even suggesting different writing styles. This allows content creators to produce more content in less time and reach a wider audience. AI can transcribe client meetings, generate reports based on meeting notes, and even create personalized presentations tailored to each client's specific needs. This allows consultants and coaches to provide a more efficient and impactful service to their clients. For content creators, AI is a game changer. Gone are the days of staring at a blank page, dreading writer's block. AI can help brainstorm ideas, generate outlines, and even suggest different writing styles. It's like having a bottomless well of creative inspiration at your fingertips. With AI as your partner, you can create more content, reach wider audiences, and ultimately build a thriving online presence. Here are some specific ways AI can benefit content creators. Feeling stuck? Use AI tools to brainstorm new content ideas, generate catchy headlines, and overcome writer's block. Leverage AI to create outlines, write introductions and conclusions, or even generate entire drafts of content. Remember to edit and revise for quality. Use AI tools to analyze your content and suggest improvements for SEO and audience engagement. The future is bright with AI. By giving AI a chance and learning the tricks, you can open amazing doors. Remember, AI is here to be your teammate, not take your job. So, dive in today, explore some AI tools, see what they can do, and start using them in your daily work. The sooner you begin, the sooner you can unlock your financial goals and build a rocking future. Let me know in the comments below what you think about AI, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips to help you win. Thanks for watching.